Welcome. If you've ever scrolled through Instagram and thought, why am I still seeing posts I marked as not interested? You're not alone. Today I'll show you a simple way to filter out those not interested posts from the past year, so your feed stays fresh and relevant. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to manage. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, look for the menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on that to open up the main menu. From here, select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do, from your recent likes to the posts you've hidden. Scroll down until you see the option called Not Interested. Tap on it. This is where Instagram stores all the posts you've previously marked as not interested. It's a handy way to review and manage content you don't want to see again. Next, let's make sure we're only looking at posts from the past year. At the top of the Not Interested section, you'll see a button labeled Filter by Date. Tap on it, and a calendar will pop up. Here, choose Past Year from the available options. Instagram will now filter your not interested posts, showing you only those that you've marked in the last 12 months. Take a moment to review this list. If you see any posts you want to remove from your not interested history, you can do so right from this screen. This helps Instagram better understand your preferences and keeps your feed tailored to what you actually want to see. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily filter and manage your not interested posts from the past year, making your Instagram experience more enjoyable and personalized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your favorite social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.